Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your stream on Kick. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to log in into your account at kick.com. So make sure you log in first before you can actually delete those videos. So here, once you've done that, you want to go to the top right corner of your screen. That's where your profile is. Just click on that and go to channel. And under channel, you want to go to the video section of this page here, and from here you'll be able to see all of the videos that you have posted. But as you can see, this is a fairly new account. There's no videos yet on my account, but when you see when you've already posted videos on your account, when you actually hover over it, you will see an X button next to it. So you just need to click on the X button that you'll see on that video, and that's actually going to delete that stream from your account, and that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.